So let's have a look at a ticket itself, and let's have a look in a back end of a ticket. So I'm going to click on a ticket. I'm just going to go through. I've already replied to this one, haven't I? I replied to this one. Yeah. No due date. Let's go this. I wanted an unassigned one. Yeah, this one's got nothing done. So here's the email. If it's connected to your CRM, you'll be able to click CRM information. Here's who's assigned. So I could assign it to somebody else. I could say Sarah Sales. It's a sales question. Assign it to them. You could, in theory, have a department areas where you have obviously your sales department, your HR, your accounting, and then you can change it to different areas within that if it's set up. Obviously, add a phone number, create a due date that you need to do for this, so it'll flag. Decide what status it is. Any products, you can add a product. Priority, you can say it's a high priority. Class, question, problem. So all those things that were on the form, right? You can go through and add a resolution for that and notify the contact that it's been resolved if there's been an issue. You can reply straight away to the ticket, reply to all, or just reply. Time entry, if you've got to go off and do some work, you can start a time. You can start a timer and create up. You can create time entries. Sorry, just get up here. Add a timer saying this is how much time you've spent on this ticket. If you're doing billing stuff, you can attach files. You can create a task. Add a new task. I've got to follow up on this, or create a meeting, or speak to somebody, whatever the task is, and then you can decide. Say somebody else needs to approve. Say Sarah approve sales pricing. Please let me know if the price is right. Something like that. Submit for approval. So that would mean that Sarah Sales would have to approve it, and then the history of the ticket. And obviously you can do other things. You can edit, you can move it to a different section, you can share it with somebody, follow it, or mark it as spam. So everything you'd expect, and there's a lot of other thunky things you can do. So you can add tags if it's a certain thing. If it's, I used to do security, so CCTV, add a tag to it. So people can filter it down, edit it, do what they need to do with it. But that's just a walk around the ticket itself.